Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you a content creator? Are you a video editor? Are you a student? You're looking for an easy way to create your content with no stress, with ease. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step AI tools you can use to create your content with no issues, with no copywriting, and it will be very much easier for you to be creating content and content and content. Let's go. We have text to image using openart.ai. With the help of openart.ai, you can be able to generate your image accordingly without any copywriting issues. The second tool, we have text to video using runwayml.com. This website helps you to generate your image, to generate your videos according to your text description. Just give it a little text description and it will generate a video for you. Number third tool is Vera Ideas. Are you looking for ideas? Are you looking for content ideas that will grow viral on the internet? With the help of ValarityAI.net, you can be able to get a content idea that will go viral on the internet, and boom, you are good to go. Number 4, so we have text to voiceover. With the help of voiceair.ai, you can generate your voiceover. Number 5, so we have text to pdf doc. With the help of chatpdf.com, you can able to convert your text to a PDF format with no stress.
Wow.
Number 6 too is text to presentation. With the help of gamma.app, you can be able to convert your text into presentation, PowerPoint. Number 7 tool is text to arts. Using creativity.ai can help you to generate your arts. Number 8 tool is text to music using sounddraw.co. Are you looking for a tool that can generate a song for you? With the help of this sounddraw.co, you can be able to generate your music, your song, using a simple text description. Thank you for watching this video to the end. This is Tech Bright Ventures. Please like, share, and follow us for more.
Blessings rise and never drop.